What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see here, we got an unboxing to do. We got the Blue Alien on deck. So this is the Atoy X or Atoix. I don't know how it's pronounced, but this is the AT-96, a Wi-Fi FPV quad here. So let's get in here and see what it looks like. Need the Blue Alien again. Now I got this off Amazon.com. Remove everything from the box. So we got a little instructions manual in legible English. You have this clamp here for your smartphone. I have to go in beast mode for that one. So we have this part here extends for your phone to go in, and this latches on to your transmitter. Let's pop this open. There's the quad there. We have a transmitter here. We have a package with some accessories inside. Let's move this off the table here. Okay, so this is the transmitter. Feels pretty nice. Nice feeling transmitter. Nice feeling sticks on it. We have shoulder buttons here. One for photo capture and one for video capture. The other one looks like the speed switch and to do flips. So I don't know if you long press for one or the other, or if it's sensitive, or it can be activated by hitting each side. We'll find out when we fly it. We have the take off landing button here in the middle, on and off switch. We have headless and return to home. It's probably just going to fly backwards down the heading. And we have trim buttons here, and that's it. The transmitter latches on. The clamp latches on the back here, I'm guessing. Let's look at it. Okay, so we slide it over, slide it down. So that's where the phone clamp goes there. Let's have a look at the quad. Nice little micro drone here. Yes, this is in the micro class. We have a battery in here. This is a 400 milliamp hour 1S LiPo. Check it out. Got the micro LoSi connection on it. So we're probably going to remove this prop guard. I don't know, I might fly it with the prop guard on if I fly it indoors, so you guys can see if this prop guard works. It seems pretty sturdy and bouncy. I'll probably bounce off walls nicely. And let's see if we have any lights for night flying. It doesn't look like it. Only lights on the eyes there, so no night flying. They're very tiny. So you guys can expect some flight footage of this one coming up really soon. The Atoy X or Atoix AT-96. Thanks for watching.